Hello everybody, I'd like to introduce you to this accordion. It's a Hohner Corona II in GCF. It is the reference 2260 and this is what it looks like. You can see there, it's the GCF. Made in Germany. And here's a sound test. I'm just going to go through the scales. And then I'll do the accidentals afterwards and the bass notes after that. Here are the accidentals. And the bass notes. And now I'll try to play a song that I've been practicing.